Here she is, guys. God damn, this thing is so fucking clean. I'm gonna show you a bunch of shit, and then I'm gonna tell you the price that I got it for. But I just gotta say, damn, we got another very clean base, guys. And the best part about it, oh my God, it's crazy. That's a license plate. But the best part about it is that it has air ride already, and it's properly installed. And it's OG 6-speed. Boys, I think we won. So with further inspection, for one, all of the arms, lower control arms, upper control arms, everything is brand new, right? But the whole air ride system is the $5,000 package, as you see right here. That's fucking crazy. We came up, boys. No way. I think I might keep this car. Another thing I just realized, we got some adjustable arms too. No way. I don't know what they are. If you know what they are, write it down in the comments for me. But yeah, so far we got that as well. Everything on here is brand new too. I just checked over everything. I get tie rods tight as fuck. Literally everything is brand new. More and more goodies, you guys. So look at the size of this sway bar. I don't know what sway bar this is, but god damn, that's the BBC of sway bars. And then we got the energy bushings on it. Whoever had this car really took care of it. And this was like their show car. Cause like, damn, whose car did we get, chat? It also has brand new Brahms seats, like the really nice ones, reclinable sliders and everything. Everything's really nice. He did give us the radio as well. Has Airlift's $5,000 kit on here. Everything works. GPS works. Air conditioning is so nice. Back seats have no booty juice on it. Clean ass car, guys. Let's go ahead and check out. See, I gotta get rid of these chunty ass headlights though. Maybe the bumper too. I don't know what I want to do with that yet. But this is another reason why I got it. Oh, look how clean it is, guys. The engine bay is extremely clean. Hold on, let me put this on here. Look how clean this engine is. Even the covers are painted red, so you know they took their time on it. I drove this car over an hour, no leaks still. Looks like they just recently resealed it, so hopefully they did the gallery gasket and all of that already. I wouldn't doubt it. This thing is extremely clean, well taken care of. Mishimoto radiator with shroud and fans, everything. Very, very nice. And like I said, so yeah, we got this for a whole whopping $3,000. I can't fucking believe it, guys. Jose found it. We went to go get it. I literally was not going to leave without this fucking car. But now we have a good base because I've been wanting to do 350Z turbo kits. So as you guys are going to see in this picture right here, we already kind of got it started on a mock-up car, but I want to perfect it on my own car now. So that's why I got this. So turbo sits right here, as you can see, and everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. We're going to give you guys everything you need in order to get it done. We are going to be taking pre-orders probably as of, I don't know. I need to figure that out. But other than that, thank you guys for tuning in. Car's clean as fuck. Can't wait to install the turbo kit on this thing, man. I'm not a real big G or Z fan, but this one, especially for the price, fuck, how can you not love it? Like, everything's clean. He took good care of this car. Not gonna lie. Everything is serviced correctly. All right, guys, so this is the inside right now. We currently are chilling inside of it. AC bumping. We're in California, so you know it's hot as fuck. And this isn't no, you know, Midwest barn find deal. None of that bullshit. This is a real good find. This is proof that if you guys are patient and you look, you can find good shit. And if you got good homies, they'll look out for you too. But long story short, look at full airlift. I don't know what brand that is, but everything in this car is super clean. He gave us the radio as well. And then, bam, that shit is expensive, but we got it. Crazy, huh? Harness bar, full interior, very clean back seats. Looks like no one farted on it or none of that. Looks so good. Oh yeah, everyone's asking. Yes, it does fully work, and my dumbass already almost broke it. But yeah, everything works. Literally everything works. What the fuck is that? Oh, what? That's so cool. Whew. Very happy. Very, very happy. Drove this shit over an hour. I think it was like almost 2 hours back. Not one problem. AC bumping. And the best part, guys, look at that. 132,000 miles. OG miles. Shit's fucking wild, guys. Wow, no check engine, well, nothing like that. Alright, guys, so I just realized that this shit is the newer one, so it connects to the Bluetooth. Check it out. No way. Can't believe we got this car for $3K. Pretty sick, pretty sick. But until next time, guys, thank you again. I know it was short, but yeah.